Hi guys, this video is for a tutorial in which we will create a landing page for an institute for their ad purpose, Google ad purpose. They are willing to run search ad for their institute for admission. So let me go to our WordPress dashboard and let's see like how we will create a landing page for their business. They have a proper color scheme. So before designing the website, first of all we need to install the theme. So here we have already installed the Astra theme and activated it. For that you need to go to add new theme, and here you have to search Astra, and then when you will get the website, here you have to install it and activate it. Next you have to go to the plugin, you have to install the Elementor theme. Here you can search for Elementor and here you can install this. So this Elementor website builder, so here it is already installed and activated. So in this way you can install the theme and the plugin. Guys, now we have installed Astra theme and now we need some Astra templates, starter templates. So for that we will go to plugin and we will type Astra and we will install this starter templates. You can use the builder like Elementor, WordPress and other website builder. So install it and activate it. Guys, now to install the template, let me deactivate this one and activate the free plugin. We will get this kind of interface. Classic starter template we need to click, then we have to choose the Elementor because we have installed the Elementor page builder. Now here we need to choose any of these, right? So here the best theme and the free one is let me choose this one at the top. This one, right? Let me upload the logo. So here we have the logo and we increase the size it to near about 190 and Jost and Roboto font should be let me choose this one, Jost and Roboto, and let me choose the color, this one, right? And continue with the template. Now select features. So here whatever the feature you will select, it will integrate it with this. So let me choose the video player and free live chat, continue it, and here tell us a bit about yourself. So it's you can type your name, your work email, and now it will install the themes, plugins and the forms and everything. Now you can view your site, how it's looking. So your site is looking something like this. Okay, now let me go to our dashboard, and here now we have to download some images. After that we will start creating the website. Now next we will create a menu. For creating a menu, we will go to the appearance and then menu, and here we will create menu. For this, let me put the custom link, otherwise we will need to create the page. Let me keep the home page here. For about us, let me put the navigation level, our program. Next one is why choose us. So why choose us. You can create a page for this, and you can like just transfer this page to the menu, right? When you will select it, it will automatically, you can add it to the menu, right? You have created the page and you can add it to the menu and remove it from here like this, right? Next is let me write this reviews and just minimize this, and we need to add one more link, that is explore courses. So let me put it here, hash and explore courses, courses courses, right? Now it will be shown here, and save this, right? So when you will go to the site, it will look something like this: home, our program, why choose us, review, explore courses, right? Next is let we put an image at the background. So just edit it with the Elementor. Now guys, we have this kind of website, and now we have to press the edit with Elementor and edit with Elementor, just close it, and now we'll have to change the background image, right? So for background image, we just need to change it. Let me keep it, this one is our background image, and here is, it will look like this, right? And if you will publish it, it will look something like this with the menu, right? Now we can, because these are the tags which are little bit not visible, so let me put some background overlay, right? So let me keep it gradient and choose the color white, and here let me choose the color black, okay? And increase the opacity, decrease the opacity, and it will be it will look something like this, right? So guys, in this way we can change the images, and for the background overlay you can change it from here. You can change the color and you can change the opacity and even the angle, right? Later on we will have these three images. The content has already been changed. When you will click here, you will get a text box where if you want to change it, you can change it from here. If you want to change the description, you can change the description from here simply, right? Even if you want to put the bullets, numbered list, or like if you want to make it bold, italic, some part of your description, if you want to make it bold, italic or underline, you can do it from here, right? And other thing is, you can even change the typography color from here, as it is a default we are using, right? So we don't need to change, like we have already created a template for the whole website, so we don't need to change it from here. Each element should not be specific. All the content should be consistent with the website template or the website typography or the color scheme, right? So the next one is, this is our three images which we need to change, so it should be consistent with the content what you have typed here. Start your AI governance, so you can take one out of this. Next one is this one, accelerate your AI GP success. Next is, you can take this one, and the third one is, you can get the image. You can, if you don't have the image in your media library, you can upload that image from here, right? So the next one is, let me take this one, right? Now these three images are here, and here is this is call to action button. Now if you want to change it, you can change it from here. If you want to change the style, you can change the style from here, right? Let's say I want to change the background of the button, so here you can change like this, right? So these are the themed color. If you want it white, it will be white. If you want it a gray style, it will be gray. But I'm just choosing it from the theme, like whatever the color we have already, like these are the global color we have given it globally, right? So these, in this way you can change the color of the button as well. Next is this one, about us. So we have already typed the content. These are the AI generated content. Next one, this. Now we have replaced these images. Now this one, we need something in the background, same like what we have did in the hero image. Let me choose this one. You can see it's looking okay. And the next one is, this is testimonial, our happy clients, right? The next one is this one. So here we need some CTA. So let me click here and let me choose some CTA images. So we have already created some CTA images. So here is our CTA images. Let me just choose this one. Now in this way you can create your whole landing page if you want. Now these are success blueprint. We are giving some like numbers or some USPs, you can say, right? So if you want to change the color of this, if you want to change the icon, you can change the icon from here. And next, if you want to change the color of the your icon, so you can change the color of the icon from here. If you want to change the color as a black, it will be shown as black. If you want it as orange, it will be yellow, orange, right? So in this way you can change it Now your landing page is ready. Let me check it how it's visible in a different browser. Now it's looking something like this, right?